Alright, son.
Alright, son.
Hey, do you want to see a trick?
Let's see a trick.
Let's
do it.
Okay, son, just a quick little trick here.
Yeah.
Yeah. I've got a pack of cards here. Yeah, and I'll just show you that they're all different, Dan.
Yep.
What I'm going to do, Dan, I'm just going to take some cards off like that, yeah? And I'm going to give a little tap, yeah? I'll take some cards off like that and give a little tap. And on one of the taps, I just want you to say stop.
Right.
And that'll be it. So, I'll take some cards off, give a little tap. Take some cards off, give a little tap.
Stop.
There?
Yeah.
Right, these are not your cards. To find your card, Dan, we go to the end of the bottom pack here, which is the Three of Hearts, yeah?
Three of Hearts, yeah.
And I lose the Three of Hearts somewhere in the middle of the deck, Dan. Now, to find your card, Dan, I know roughly where it is, roughly in the middle, but to find it, I need to change my cards, right?
Okay.
I take the box, Dan, and I change my cards to my blue deck. Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
Now, hopefully, it should just be on top, yeah? That's your card, yeah?
Yeah, that is.
Well, it's not your card, because your card was from the red deck, wasn't it?
Of course, yeah.
This is the three from the blue deck. But look, with just a little flick, I can change
Wow.
into your original card. Thank you. Yes, Gaffer.